standard deviation y. Okay. Let's find the mean first. Okay. So mean is equal average highlight all the numbers. Enter. Okay. And this is the mean. Okay. And then you copy and you find the mean of second variable. Okay. Let's find x deviation first. X deviation is equal and this number minus this number, right? There is deviation, but let's put $sign here, okay? And then you have this, and you copy this, and then you have all deviations. If you copy this, and this means 0, okay? E means you have 16 zeros after this one, so this is 0. Got it? Okay. So and then we find YD. YD is equal sign this number minus this number, but we should have $sign here, okay? And then you have copy, and then you, right? And this is another 0, so this is good, okay? This is a 0. Okay? If you have E, that means 0. And then we find XD square, okay? XD times XD, that's the square, equal sign, and this number times this number again. Okay? You click that G8 times G8, and then you copy this, and you have all, and then you find the mean of all the numbers. This is called variance, right? This is called variance. And the equal sign, SQRT, and parentheses, and have this number, and equal sign, that's the standard deviation of x. Okay? I'm going to do it very slowly for y. For y, we have y deviations, and yd times yd. That's the square of deviations. Equal sign, and yd times yd, right? X, h8 times h8. That's the square of this number. Okay. Once we have this one, and we just copy, right? And copy, right? You put, right? There are many different ways to copy, and this is the average. So average of all these numbers, so I can copy and paste. That's the variance of y, right? Variance of number of things for cultural object. And then you SQRT, parentheses, and click this number. Got it. Okay, that's the standard deviation. Got it, Anthony? No?
No.
Okay, cut.